Why are top secret locations hidden from the public? Throughout history, we learned about the existence of bunkers, hidden buildings and rooms that were not available to the public. These have always been a part of our society in one way or another. The question is, why do these exist and why are we encountering them more and more nowadays? There are specific reasons why this is happening, and it has to do with various reasons. The importance of keeping some things a secret. You will notice that there are a lot of societies and cults that want to keep their existence a secret. That's why they are trying to keep everything under a lock and key. On top of that, there are some technologies and ideas that would be used for harmful reasons if they would be public, so their owners are keeping them a secret. On top of that, you have things like Area 51. This is kept away from the public because it's focused specifically on the idea of preserving national secrets. It's in the middle of nowhere, and it's a place where new technologies are being tested. The last thing you would want is to have your tech falling into the enemy's hands. So that's why it makes a lot of sense to keep some buildings and locations away from prying eyes. Then there's also the fact that in the Department of Defense, where you have 2/3 of the intelligence programs, you only have a few people that know what the department is working on. These are called super users, and even they are not allowed to take notes and know about everything. You also have Liberty Crossing, which is a place that hosts 1,700 federal employers that work on national security. The Liberty Crossing location is kept away from people because they handle matters of terrorism, national intelligence, and many others. You can barely see the building during winter. During the summer, it's fully hidden by trees. When there are many sensitive national products taking place in a building, it's very important to keep it hidden, and the government knows that. Some locations are kept hidden due to very specific reasons. A very good example would be the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. This is found in the frozen tundra of Svalbard, which is an archipelago in the Arctic Ocean. This is a facility that has around 25,000 seed types, and it was created just to store food and seeds in case any catastrophe strikes. In case there's a nuclear winter, then the world would have a backup, and we would have something to start from again. Needless to say, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault location is hidden from the public to keep these seeds safe. Pine Gap from Australia is another important facility. This one might be in Australia, but it's actually operated with the US as well. This is one of the main places for drone operations. It's a very important place where research is made to improve weaponry while also keeping people safe. While the Pine Gap location is not safe, what happens inside is a secret. All the public knows is that this is a facility focused on drone operations. Should all the information be kept public? All the small details show that yes, keeping some locations away from the public does make a lot of sense. That's especially true when there are matters of national security and not knowing what others would do with that information. However, this brings less trust from our side since we never really know why some locations and information are kept away from us. At the end of the day, there will always be secrets that governments will keep away from the public. However, many of these are related to national security, and they can be even more dangerous in public hands. On the other hand, having the government more open towards communication and talking about these things can help immensely. Only time can tell how these things will evolve, but we will continue to see places kept out of sight for us, places that hold incredible secrets.